So hello and welcome. Today's vlog is about why I encourage breath workshops, why I encourage people to learn how to breathe correctly. My name is Alan. I am a hypnotherapist and I've been working with people. I am an anxiety specialist. And what I find is that when you breathe properly, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and by doing so, it allows people to calm down. Not only do they sleep better, but they relax. They let go of anxieties. They let go of all kinds of things within their body. What I've also found is that when people are breathing, and I'm not just talking about breathing, because if you're alive, you are breathing in some way, but I'm really referring to mindful breathing. And there's we're going to try that one more time. Okay, so I do have a pause button. If I have to cough again, I will pause the recording. I apologize for that. But when people are mindful breathing and we do breath workshops, what I notice is that people will have different kinds of reactions. So even when I'm doing a Reiki session on someone, when I'm doing energy work, if the person has been holding on to a lot of stuck energy, they will yawn and yawn and yawn. Some people belch. Some people's nose just starts running. Some people drool as they go into a deep trance because it's a way of, the body has been holding things back, and when they let go emotionally, mentally, they also let go physically. So that kind of shaking feeling when you see someone like almost having jitters, well, that's their body saying there's a thought that I've been holding on to, which I've been resisting, that I am just now completely letting go. And so what I do is I ask them to breathe. And you might notice that's one of the things in hypnosis. Close your eyes, focus on your breath. As you focus on your breath and take a big, deep, long breath, which is a standard invocation, a standard induction, it starts with focus on your breath. The person just calms down because most people in day-to-day life, in stressful situations, they just stop breathing. They stop breathing for sometimes minutes at a time. Sometimes they're holding their breath in fear, or they're shallow breathing, which is when you hold back, you don't allow the best of who you are to come forward. So in the last 6 months, I've been really doing a lot of research on breathing. I started about 3 years ago, and I started maybe even 5 years ago. I did a Wim Hof course where they plunged me into a bucket of cold water filled with ice cubes. And yeah, like what a feeling of being alive after the event. During the event, I was like, I wish I were dead. It's so freaking cold here. But at the time, it was just very liberating. And since then, I've discovered many, many, many different types of breaths. I know that there's the box breath, which is up for the count of four, hold it for the count of four, then down for the, hold it, let it go for four, and then hold it again for four. And you just four, 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 hold your breath, breathe in, hold your breath, breathe out. And that's a very good breath as well. It will do something for you. You also have mouth breathing, which is in through the mouth, out through the mouth. You could go double speed, wanting to get the air into your belly, into your chest, and then out through your nose. You have nose breathing, which is in and out through your nose with sharp exhales, and the inhale is almost automatic. You also have nose mouth. So you breathe in through your nose, let go through your mouth. And each breath does something a little different. But if you're facing anxiety, the one that I really like is rapid breathing. Because when you take a nice, gentle breath, Well, yeah, your mind starts thinking about what's for supper, what happened at work, the people who bothered you. But when you do some rapid breathing, like I'm just going to demonstrate it really quickly, like a dog panting, like there's no way you could be in your mind. Just try it. Try to breathe quickly and see what that does. So we are now offering here at Mind Alchemist Hypnosis, alanhypnosis.com as well. So I have two websites. One is alanhypnosis.com and the other one is mindalchemist.ca. And we offer hypnosis and we also offer breath work. The breath work sessions, I like to do them a lot in person because they're fun, they're enjoyable, and there is a group benefit that is received when you're in a room with 20 other people. What happens is that the energy of the group creates a healing, a bonding energy. So I really do like group sessions in persons, but also there are group sessions online that we are doing. So we just ask you to put your headphones on so that you're releasing some of the external stimulus. We ask you to close your eyes again for the stimulus purpose, and we ask you to focus on the suggestions that we put in there. So your mind, as you're breathing, will accept suggestions a lot more easily. And some people also feel a lot safer in the comfort of their own home. So whatever is right for you, if you just want to take a walk, you will breathe. If you go on a trampoline like I do multiple times a week, or go on a treadmill for just 2 or 3 minutes, you will breathe. And when you breathe, the anxiety goes down. So if I have one tip for anybody who says, I'm having anxiety, I'd say learn to breathe. It's something that you don't have to pay anybody for to learn to breathe. You've learned it from the day you open your eyes. From the day you came out of your mother's womb, you've been breathing. And as you learn how to breathe properly again, mindful breathing, the word mindful meaning focus on your breath. Don't just say, yeah, I do it. Yeah, 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 because so your heart beats also automatically. You don't have to beat your heart. You don't have to breathe automatically. It's being done for you. But when your breathing is constricted, when it's shallow, use mindful breathing to break through. And what you'll notice, your hands may get cold. My hands and feet just go freezing cold when I do my breathing. My what else? Sometimes I feel like just jolts of my body wanting to move, and that's stuck energy. It's just stuck energy. It's nothing wrong. Nothing's going to kill me. I'm just breathing, but my body is letting go. So if you have any questions, just please call me. You know what? It's easier to answer a question in person than to do anything else. And my name is Alan. I'm the Mind Alchemist. I'm here to assist and wishing you a really, really great day.